Hello, I'm James Anderson, and beginning May 27th, I'd like to invite you to join me and teachers from all over the world as together we explore the learning landscape online. Over 5 weeks, we're going to explore what it means to move through the learning landscape as we encounter challenge pits, 4 different types, as we climb those mountains of expertise and fill our backpacks with powerful habits of mind that allow us to climb those mountains. We're going to talk about the process of learning and the slips and falls, the mistakes that happen along the way. We're going to talk about how the metaphor of the learning landscape acts as a positive mindset mover and moves students through that mindset continuum, helps them develop a more growth-orientated mindset. And most importantly, we're going to talk about how the learning landscape helps students understand themselves as learners and what they need to do to become better learners, more skillful learners. So starting May 27th, 3 times every day, we'll repeat this 1-hour workshop. So there's plenty of opportunities for you to attend in all different time zones. If you miss one, there's also the opportunity to watch a recording afterwards. I'm going to be throwing in lots of bonuses, lots of extra resources to maximise the learning you have. Because today, as more than ever, students need to understand the nature of challenge. They need to understand themselves as active learners so they can confront the sorts of challenges that they're fronting at the moment and succeed in this increasingly complex world that we live in. So there's details in the buttons around here to register and to find out more. And I look forward to seeing you in just a few weeks, May 27th. See you then.